Hi friends, it's Cristina DeStefano here. I am an educator for MAC Cosmetics on the East Coast. I have been part of the MAC family for 20 years and counting, and a makeup artist for over 25 years. And I'm so excited to share with you today my tips and tricks for effortless nude lips. We're gonna go on a nude lip makeup journey today, and I'm gonna share some pro tips and tricks for skin, eyes, and cheeks. Okay, so this is my starting point. I have a daytime smoky eye with some brown eyeshadow right by the lash line. My skin is on, I have a little bit of bronzer on, and I'm ready for lips. Every lip look should start with Prep and Prime Lip Primer. Pro tip for the lip primer, apply it when you're doing your skincare. That way, by the time you get to your lips, the primer will have time to really dry and set. So I'm just going to apply a very light layer all over my lips, top and bottom. Primer is set, and now I'm ready to go. No nude lip would be complete without a lip pencil. And today I'm going to show you two different colors and two different techniques. So let's start with my first color, Strip Down. This is more of a medium tone brown and won't do much to the color of the lipstick. Since this is very similar to the color of the lipstick, I filled in my entire lip with the lip pencil. And a pro tip for lip liner, you can overdraw your lips ever so slightly to give you that extra fullness that still remains natural. Time for the main event. So this lipstick, Kinda Sexy, which has been my favorite nude lip color for ages, is more of a peachy brown. And I love the peach tones because you can wear them for day, and then I'll show you how to dress it up for evening. And even though this is a matte lipstick, it still feels super creamy. Now watch me show you how I bring this nude lip from day to night with a few simple steps. First thing I'm gonna do is bring my lip from day to play with Oh Baby Lip Glass. Notice how this light brown glittery lip gloss already dressed up my lip in seconds. I can tell that my makeup is looking a little more playful and ready for a night out. But now let me bump up my eyes, cheeks, and my skin to make it really all come together. Let's start with eyes. So Nude Model palette is one of my favorite palettes to have because you have every single color that you need to go from day to play. What I had on before was literally a little bit of this beautiful neutral brown color by my lash line. Now I want to give it some interest. We added some brown glitter onto my lips. Let me add a little bit of a sparkle to my eye. Let's give a little golden sparkle to the eyes. So I'm going to go in with my finger and use this color right here, just in the center of my lid. So here's another pro tip. To make this champagne-y gold color stand out even more, I'm going to create a halo effect using the same brown that I had on before for my day look. And where I'm going to go apply it is actually just in the outer and inner corner of my eye, both top and bottom lid. I'm going to use the 224 brush, which is one of my favorite blending brushes. And this helps you avoid putting on too much product, and it blends everything out so easily. How deep and how much of the dark brown you add will totally depend on your preference, your eye shape, and really the mood that you're in. Okay, so now it's time to bump up my skin. So I'm gonna add a little color to the cheeks with Melba Blush, which is also an iconic peachy color, Love, love, love. Really great for a lot of different makeup looks. And then I'm going to really give myself an ethereal glow with mineralized skin finish in Global Glow. The 129 synthetic brush is a great brush for both blush and highlight. And if you're feeling extra sassy like I do pretty much every day, summer, winter, fall, spring, I use Global Glow all over my body, especially if I'm wearing sleeveless clothing. So a little bit on the top of your shoulders, some on your décolleté, that bronze goddess look all year long. If you're feeling like you still wanted a little extra color on your lips, but you're really loving the color of the lipstick, just add a darker lip liner. This one I have right here is called Cork. It's about 2 shades darker than the strip down I had before. It'll give me a little extra dimension and an extra push in color. This time I'm going for an ombre effect, so I only lined around the lips and filled in only halfway. Let's go dress it up even more. Back with Oh Baby lip gloss. Well, that was so much fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I can't wait to be back again and share more tips and tricks on effortless beauty.